Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcia. So today's video is going to be a first trimester pregnancy favorites. These are all things that I've been using in the beginning of my pregnancy, everything during the first trimester. A lot of them aren't even pregnant related, it's just I've been loving them while I've been pregnant. I also had a lot of requests to do more favorites videos, so I hope you guys are excited for this because I'm really excited too. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see all of my pregnancy favorites, things I've been loving in the past 2-3 months. Just keep watching. All right, so first item is going to be skincare. I have been so obsessed with skincare. I think it's because I don't wear as much makeup as I usually do. I usually wear makeup if I have somewhere to go, something to do, or if I have to film something. So I wear makeup, I would say twice a week, 2 to 3 times a week. I used to wear makeup between 5 and 7 days a week because I would just wear makeup because I felt like it. But like now I don't really feel like it most of the time. Not because I don't enjoy makeup, but because I get so tired so quickly. Like every little thing that I do requires a nap. So I prefer just leaving the house with fresh skin, lashes, and lip gloss, and maybe draw over my moles, and that's it. And then I leave the house and I'm good to go. And that has been my routine almost every day for the past 2 months. Even on my birthday, I didn't wear makeup. I just didn't wear makeup, and I still don't. I only wear makeup when I have to film or something. So skincare is my first favorite. Speaking of skincare, today's sponsor is Premier Look. Premier Look is a trusted certified retailer of medical grade skincare. So most of your skincare is medical grade skincare and beauty products. There are over 50 plus skincare brands on their website. A lot of them you may have seen on other retail stores, really popular retail stores or websites. You also get what you pay for. Premier Look is not a over-the-counter one-size-fits-all product. Most of the products are customized to you. They do have dermatologists and estheticians on site to help you, so you can ask so many questions. Actually, currently right now I am pregnant, so there are some pregnant friendly skincare brands and beauty brands that I could ask questions for. Let's say I would be like, I go on a website, I'll be like, hey, and it's either a dermatologist or a esthetician, and you will ask, I am X amount of times pregnant, I would like to know which products are best for pregnant skin. Because something new that I learned is that you can't use just any skincare products on pregnant skin. Apparently your skin just changes, everything changes, but like your skin changes. And the products, maybe you're using really harsh products before. Luckily for me, I don't have acne. I didn't really have to use like salicylic acid or retinol and stuff like that on my skin beforehand, so I don't have any of those products. So most of my products are really helpful for dry skin, and dry skin actually happens a lot during pregnancy because the baby is sucking out all of the hydration and nourishing ingredients that go into your skin. So my skin has been so dry so early. Usually my skin starts getting dry around October, November, but due to pregnancy that has came so much earlier. So all I can do now is be like, hey Premier Look, I need help finding products because I'm currently pregnant and my skin has been extra dry. So they will help me out and recommend me products that are on their website to help me find the best products for my pregnant dry skin. From my experience shopping in retail stores, big department skincare and beauty stores, I usually don't ask questions to the employees because most of them aren't estheticians or aren't dermatologists. I usually look up my stuff, but now thanks to Premier Look, it's on the website, and I do have a dermatologist and esthetician on hand to help me out. I feel like that's a lot better. I feel a lot more confident when shopping when it comes to my skin now, because honestly, you don't want answers from someone that just has totally different skin than you and hasn't even studied in skin or anything related to dermatology or being an esthetician. So I really like that about the website. It's still something new to me, but I feel like it's something you guys should find out. I get a lot of questions on my skin, and because my skin is not the same as everybody else, I don't have the answers for everybody else, but Premier Look does. Here are some of the brands that they do have. They sent me Kula. You can find Kula in tons of other stores. Kula is a skincare brand, but they do offer makeup. So this is the Fresh Relief Face Serum. I am halfway through. This is solar powered, cruelty free, farm to face, and and organic cosmetics. So this is a serum. I apply this before applying my SPF and moisturizer and eye cream. So this is the first product I put on my face. This has a very natural, like leafy, organic ingredient scent. It smells really farm to face. Like it really smells like nature, and I really like this product. At first I was kind of skeptical putting it on my face. Anything could break you out, but this did not break me out at all, and it feels so refreshing on the skin. I love this product. I did notice a difference. Maybe it's pregnancy skin, I don't know, but I do feel like my skin looks a lot different now that I've incorporated a face serum in my skincare. Now, speaking of skincare infused makeup, I have the organic BB skin tint. I am out of breath all the time. This has SPF 30 in it. I love SPF makeup infused items. I use this during the summer. We're going into fall, and fall is like my favorite season. You do need to wear SPF all the time. This is so good. The only thing I wish is that they had more colors, but it matches my skin pretty well, especially that I was much tanner during the summer. So this is really great for your skin. There's SPF 30. Most foundations only have up to 25. This is the highest I've seen SPF in a foundation. This is also farm to face, vegan, cruelty free, non-GMO, plant protection, and antioxidant enriched. So that's a lot of stuff in a foundation, and honestly it makes it worth the money, because I do own a lot of high-end foundations that are around the same price as this, but I don't seem to have as much ingredients and benefits in those foundations. Next, I have the SPF 30 Kula Daydream Mineral Primer. This primer makes your pores look so good. Your skin looks so good. This is so nice. I really like this. I don't use it as much as I use the foundation and serum. When I do use it, I am really satisfied with this primer. I don't feel like it's a long wearing primer, but I do feel like it's a skin protecting primer. So if you're wearing makeup during the day for like, I would say like an 8-hour shift, that would be great. This is not the primer I would wear if I need to film. I have to get my nails done, I have to go to the mall, I have so much stuff to do, and I'm like running around. That's not the primer for that. This is more of a primer as like a skin barrier before applying your makeup, and it makes your makeup look and sit on your skin so well. Absolutely love this stuff. So nice. So thank you Premier Look for sponsoring this portion of the video. I will be filming a skincare routine for you guys soon, because since being pregnant my skincare has changed tremendously, and that's also thanks to Premier Look. So yeah, next favorite is this giant cardigan. You guys have seen this cardigan in my beginning boutique try on haul. Absolutely love this cardigan. I've been wearing it every time I leave the house almost. I do have tons of cardigans over here. As you guys can see, I have some of my fall jackets are out. I'm wearing a jacket today. I don't think I'm going to be wearing this because I've been abusing this cardigan and I don't want to ruin it before the actual fall comes. But it comes with a belt. It's so comfy. I don't want to get up, guys, because if I get up and I try to get back on this chair, I'm going to be so out of breath. So this is a nice oatmeal cream color, matches with everything. I mostly wear jumpsuits, and jumpsuits are another favorite because it's the only thing that feels comfortable right now. I've been loving jumpsuits with cardigans. Best combo ever. I'm so happy. I've always pictured myself pregnant during the fall, and it's crazy that like the universe made it that I am pregnant during the fall, because fall is my favorite season and it's the season that I dress the best, and I love this cardigan, and I definitely feel like it's worth every penny. The price is not cute. I will try to link some more affordable ones for you guys down below that I love also, but this one from Beginning Boutique is chef's kiss, and I will also link a couple favorite jumpsuits for you guys too down below. All right, so next I have candles. They've always been my like zen, bring me back to earth type of like remedy. Like every time I light a candle, I make my bed, I just feel so good. And honestly, being sick for the first trimester all the time was hell. Guys, I was so sick, I couldn't film. Bae would edit videos for me and I would be like literally like gagging while I was filming. I'd have to stop and I would puke. I would be out of breath. Like I couldn't do all of this talking at all in the first trimester. Now I feel a lot better. I do have my days where I feel a little sick. Mostly I get sick after 6 p.m. but that's the time where I'm like in bed editing or I'm in bed watching a show. So I usually unwind using candles. My favorite candles right now have been obviously Bath and Body Works, but the dollar store has had some bomb ass candles. If you go to the dollar store, Dollarama to be specific, they have these $4 candles. This is an example. This is the coconut lime. This has nothing to do with fall. I just want it to burn so I can use my Bath and Body Works one that I'm really excited to burn, that I'm gonna show you guys soon. These candles are 3-wick candles. They're huge and they're only $4, and they have all kinds of scents. I actually found 2 Christmas scents and I picked them up. I just wish they had like pumpkin and like fall scent. Hopefully some locations do, but so far I've only seen like summer, and I saw a like pine tree scent for Christmas. So I'm going to like look around to find some fall scents, but so far so good. I love their candles. They burn just as well as Bath and Body Works. So my current fall candle that I'm excited to burn is the pumpkin cupcake candle. Absolutely love this one. So sweet, so yummy. I love anything sweet scented. Honestly, most people when they're pregnant, especially during the first trimester, scents aren't their thing, but scents have been like my thing, because I don't know why, but I just love anything that smells good. I bought 3 perfumes during my first trimester, which was insane. I got the Dolce & Gabbana Imperial, the Sol de Janeiro. It's kind of like the Brazilian Bum Bum, but it's like the actual perfume, the Cheirosa 62. I got this. And I got another perfume, which is the Les Eaux de Voyage Comptoir Sud Pacifique Paris Vanille Abricot Vanilla Apricot. This smells divine, like so delicious and like yummy. And no matter how much I spray, I just love this, because I haven't had this for a week yet and I'm already like 1/3 through. So this is bomb. You guys need to try it. I heard there's like a vanilla banana one that smells great and a vanilla coconut. So I might pick these up. So I'll let you guys know how I feel about these, but this is definitely something you guys should pick up. Alright, so one of my food favorites or cravings, I already mentioned in the We're Having a Baby Q&A, grape soda is my new favorite thing. I don't know why, I don't know what the deal is, but grape soda. And I love anything related to eggs. If you make me eggs, I'll be really happy. I will eat eggs at any time of the day. I've always been that way, but it's like enhanced now that I'm pregnant. And Cheetos, flaming hot Cheetos, but like I really want the sweet chili one, and for some reason I think after summer they're gone. I think they're only here during the summer and I can't find them anywhere, so I had to order these little packs of flaming hot puffs, okay, on Amazon. 8 for $15, because I don't like the regular flaming hot Cheetos. I think they're like boring. I kind of like the jalapeno, but they're not spicy enough. These aren't really spicy at all, but they taste really good and they're puffed. I picked them up thinking they would be really spicy, but they're really not. Here in Canada, we don't have the best selection of flaming hot Cheetos, so I had to ask Jimmy's cousin from Rhode Island to send me a box of anything like flaming hot fries, all of that stuff, because I'm just craving it. I'm craving anything flaming hot. So this is another this is an actual pregnancy favorite, is my pregnancy pillow. This has helped me sleep tremendously. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Before your belly pops, you don't think you need it. You're just like, oh, I'll be fine, I'm sleeping, I'll be fine, I'm fine. No, once your belly comes out, you're gonna need it. I asked my aunt, who is, not only is she pregnant, but she's a nurse, and it's like, is it too early for me to get a pregnancy pillow? Because I have a really small bump and I have like a huge bump. And she's like, it's never too early, like whatever helps you sleep at night. So Bae ordered it for me. It's about $70 on Amazon and it came in 2 days. It's beautiful, it's gray, it's like a velvet material. I'll insert a picture because it's too big for me to bring here. It's huge. Absolutely love it. This is one of the best purchases, and if you are pregnant and you're debating on getting a pregnancy pillow, I'm telling you, get it. Because I went from like sleeping halfway through the night to like sleeping the whole night, but like not because, actually not the whole night, not because I'm not sleeping, but because I need to pee. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom at least 3 times at night. I'm constantly getting up and peeing at night. If I wake up, the bathroom better be like free so I can go pee, because my bladder fills up so quickly. So this has helped me sleep so much. Like I went like a full week with like really bad sleep, and I was like, I need to do something about this. Not only is it not good for me, but it's not good for the baby. So I needed something to help me sleep, and that has definitely helped tremendously. Next is the Body Shop Shea Nourishing Dry Oil for body and hair. I only use it for body. I apply this every day. Every time I'm out the shower, I moisturize with the whipped lotion, the Shea whipped lotion from the Body Shop, and then I apply this all over my belly. I lather my belly with this. My belly just looks like a grease pan after putting this on. When I went to the Body Shop, I told them, look, I'm pregnant, I don't have a big bump, I don't have any stretch marks yet, but I don't have the Body Shop in the Montreal anymore. We don't have anything here anymore, okay? I went to Ottawa to go to Captain's Boyle, chef's kiss, and we went to the outlet. There's like an outlet over there, and then we went to the Body Shop, and they told me to get this. They told me to get the olive oil, like the heavy moisturizer. I got that. I didn't use it yet because I'm still using the Shea body lotion that I'm almost done with, but this on my belly has felt so good. It is amazing for dry skin. I usually put a couple drops into my moisturizer when I'm at the section of my belly, and it feels so good, and it smells so good, and it's so moisturizing, and it's not like, it's oily and it's an oil, but it dries, so it doesn't feel like really, you don't feel like you're like slippery, sloppy everywhere after you're done with this. So this is really nice. Okay, so last but not least is my new bag. I finally got my hands on the Prada re-editioned 2005, like, guys, pregnancy brain is such a thing. Like, it's a real thing. I can't remember anything. Anyways, I got this bag. You guys have probably seen this bag everywhere on Instagram, on influencers, on Instagram baddies. I really like the beige, but I saw some people with the beige and it gets dirty really quickly, so I decided to get the black. Finally got my hands on this. So nice. I've been so into like smaller bags now that I'm pregnant. For the first trimester, I was carrying my new Louis Vuitton Never Full because I was carrying saltine crackers, my nausea pills, I was carrying also my prenatals. I've been carrying my vlogging camera because we were filming the first trimester vlog. I was carrying like a mask and like antibacterial wipes, like a bunch of stuff. But now that I'm more like back to normal myself, I don't need to carry all of this like saltine crackers and stuff. I can wear a smaller bag, and I've been wearing my Louis Vuitton Alma BB a lot, but it's so small and it's so bougie that wearing it every day was just like, it's cute, it's really nice, it's too nice for my types of outfit. So I feel like this is perfect for fall, and I'm so happy I picked it up. It was an arm and a leg, but I'm so excited for this. And yeah, it's so cute. I wish the nylon came with gold hardware. So far, I've only seen gold hardware with the leather one, and I'm not the biggest fan of the leather one because I do own a lot of leather bags. Anyways, I'm really happy with this, and the silver parts are so nice. I hate too shiny silver where it looks cheap. This just looks really good, and it blends in with my gold my gold jewelry really well, and I love this bag. Anyways, my brain is turning into potatoes. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but I love this bag. So yeah, guys, so that is the last item for my, I don't know how I'm gonna call this, but my favorites video. Some things are pregnancy related, some aren't, so you don't have to be pregnant to like these things. You don't have to be pregnant to get a pregnancy pillow, and that's tea. Okay, because this pillow is staying with me for life, okay, forever. Okay, this pregnancy pillow is great. That is all of my favorites for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Really excited to start this new journey with you guys, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah. I can tell that you've been feeling type of ways ever since that I've been rocking with you. I can tell that you're unhappy with your man, cause he don't hold it down like I